I'm trying to say is that we have been able to avert catastrophes in our economy. Tumeona nchi yetu ya Kenya a year ago imekuwa at the same level na nchi kama majirani wetu hapa Afrika kama Ghana, tumekuwa kama Zambia a year ago, tumekuwa kama Sri Lanka, but kwa uongozi bora wa rais wetu we have been able to weather the storm. Some of those countries have descended. A country like Zambia could not be able to service the loans. A country like Ghana crossed the red line. A country like Sri Lanka, we have seen economic chaos happening there. But our country, we have been able to stabilize the foundation of our economy. I know these are jargons, kwa sababu ile uchumi sisi tunafaa kuelewa ni pesa mfukoni na watu kuwa na chakula, but I am sure we have also all seen that through all those policies ambazo tumeweka, beyond stabilizing our economy, we are already spurring some sectors like agriculture. Tumeona ya kwamba tunatarajia a very bumper harvest and all the other issues around the economy, which I do not wish to belabor the point with. But I also want to say, because this is a good forum, that we are also investing a lot of money for education in Kenya. Because about education is that which brings forth entrepreneurs like Sudan. We are also investing a lot of money in sports, as it will be brought forth by the cabinet secretary who is here. We have also invested a lot of money in our country kwa miundo msingi. Kama barabara tumeweka 250 billion in 1 year. All this is geared to making Kenya a very good destination for business and to making Kenya a very friendly economy for doing business. Kwa sababu haya yote tunafanya kwa sababu tunataka wanabiashara wapate nafasi ya kufanya biashara kwa wepesi. So in a nutshell, I want to, because I can tell most of these people here who have been called by Saddam, majority also in business. I want to encourage you as I close that through all those things that I've enumerated and the other issues around policy, we want a country that gives space to anyone who wants to make money. Anyone who can create value to be given an opportunity to create that value, to make